Undersea submarine, the Walmart submarine. There's a 6 button here. This is for dive and surface, forward, backward, turn right, and turn left. There are 3 motor. The dive and surface is this motor. You can see there's a motor inside, propeller. Work just like a ducted fan. And another motor. This motor is used for controlling the left and right. And the thruster motor inside. It's a propeller. There's the thruster motor. See? If I press the left and right, you can see the motor turning. So we have to turn it on first. See? Left and right. Forward and backward, you can see the motor here. Forward and dive. Yeah, dive, forward. Okay, dive. Don't dive back. Dive. Backward. Papakita ko. Sili ko dito. Ayan. Kita mo? I'm going to dive. So press. The submarine is now diving. And backward. Okay, again forward. See? And backward. And dive. And turn right. Oh. Kita mo?
Yes.
Dive. And yan. Okay, then I'm going to forward.
Paano?
Battery like there's no more battery. Dive. And forward. Okay Can you see it? Dede pa ko.
Anong pangalan ng submarine mo?
It's called a watermark submarine.
Submarine.
They call it watermark. Because watermark is selling this submarine. Ayan yung ko Ang battery yan na. Dive. There, forward. Okay. There. I'm going dive and forward. See? Dive and forward.
There's the payment.
I'm reversing the submarine. Reversing. And dive.
As you can see, he moves reverse.
See, dive, forward. Dive and forward.
Parang iba yung kuno.
Okay, reverse. And dive. Kung pinapasukan ng tubig daming bakot Okay, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so this is reverse, forward, then turn left, turn right. Okay, turn right and turn left. There's a thruster. Turn right. Very slow. I'm turning right, see? Turning right, then turn left. Then backward. Then dive. Dive, then forward. Okay now. Kaya ate, mas malaki aquarium. Maliit ang aquarium ito eh.
Makaikot-ikot siya pag ganito.
Oh. How was it?
Okay pa.
Okay, mamaya na. So let's now go